Hello, dear teachers of Andhra Pradesh. Greetings to you all, and let's welcome back to our regular updates. And in this short video, we will be exploring how to update our teacher information system details in our famous AP CSE site. So, as you all can see here, csc.ap.gov.in. Instead of Leap app uploading, we are updating our information in this website for the successful storage. So as usual, you can log in with your facial attendance app, treasury ID and the respective password credentials, supplying the CAPTCHA code there. So click on sign in option. Then once you see here, you will get to see the different tabs here: home, Leap dashboard, MIS reports, services, logout. So here, dear teachers, please click on the tab here, services, and wherein you can see the name here or 5 TIS services, right? Teacher information services. So here you can see teacher information system basic details, TIS education details, TIS appointment details, TIS state details which has been newly added or updated, then teacher TIS transfer details, TIS professional details. So there are 6 sub columns here. Each one of the tabs here should be. So once the page appears like this, starting with TIS details, basic information, check all the details that have been already pre-populated. And if you want to bring about any change in the field details, you can click on edit option and save it. Like this, on each tab and each sub data, you can do the editing option and avail it. And then education details, look at the SSC, intermediate, degree, then higher education qualification, professional qualification, and if you want to make any changes, you can click on edit option and you can go to next. So dear viewers, do you follow me? Like this, appointment details, then date of first appointment, departmental test details, promotion, and all these things you can check, cross check meticulously and do the changes, and click on the net option, next option. Then here, have you passed your TET or CTET examination? So once you click on it, it will show yes or no. Accordingly, if you have recently qualified, you can say yes or no as per your authentication information. Then click on next. Then it will take us to the transfer details, how many transfers and on which days. Next, clicking on the professional details. Here, NCC, Scout, State, National Awardee, Journal published, National Textbook preparation, and such information can be submitted here. So, dear viewers, up to this, the information which is already populated there, if you have any justifiable modification, you can do that and submit the information to the higher authorities for the upcoming transfers and SSC examinations. So with this, we conclude our educationally informative video. Wish you all happy learning and keep learning. Do take care. Jai Hind.